So what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is abstraction. Abstraction between data center and whatever you are trying to consume from that data center. It could be virtual server, virtual network, virtual storage, and etc. You are abstracting physical aspects of the data center behind cloud computing and only getting access to those logical pieces. So these are the essential characteristics of cloud computing. Number one is on demand. On demand, on access to resources. You don't need to wait for weeks to get those servers, or not even days or hours. You can provision the servers on demand instantly. Second is broad network access. You can access cloud from anywhere using internet. Now you can't usually do that with all the components of your physical data center, and that's where cloud computing comes in handy. Third is resource pooling. Gives you the ability to have 4 or 5 or even hundreds of servers, and you are pulling resources from them as far as CPU storage or networking are concerned. So resource pooling is an essential part of cloud computing or server virtualization. Fourth is rapid elasticity. It means you can scale up and scale down immediately. If you need 100 servers for a week, you can get it on demand immediately. Well, at the end of the next week, you don't need these 100 servers, then you can scale down. Or let's say you want to get rid of 90 servers and keep 10, you can also do that. So that's elasticity. The ability to rapidly expand your environment or decrease your environment is also crucial. Fifth is measure services. The ability to measure services you are using. If you're using a server and using it for 10 hours, you pay for 10 hours. If you're using it for 1 day, you pay for 1 day. So it's the pay as you go mentality of being able to measure this particular services and paying for what you are using as well. If you require a particular server to perform at a particular level, then those could also measure that. If you don't get what you have paid for, then you will be compensated. If service levels drop below what you have agreed upon with your service provider, measure services is important to hold people accountable and responsible. So these are the essential characteristics of cloud computing, and it also gives you an idea about what is cloud computing.